Do refunds or exchanges in English make you nervous? In the next few minutes, you'll learn exact phrases to handle them calmly and confidently.
English at the Store, Refunds, Exchanges, and Confident Conversations, Episode 12, Part 3.
Let's start with a very common situation, asking for an exchange or refund.
Scenario Module 1, Refunds versus Exchanges, Core Lesson.
Many learners say, change this, give money back. Too short, sounds rude.
Clear and polite refund in exchange phrases.
Use these natural expressions instead. 1. I'd like to exchange this item. 2. Could I get a refund, please? 3. Is it possible to exchange this? 4. I'd prefer an exchange instead of a refund. 5. What is your return policy?
Model explanations. I'd like to exchange this item for a different size. Could I get a refund, please? What is your return policy? Miss Grammar, tone tip.
Notice the grammar. Not give me refund, but could I get a refund, please? Modal verbs equal polite English.
Micro practice, refunds and exchanges. Say this out loud. I'd like to exchange this item. Could I get a refund, please? Transition to next scenario.
Now let's handle something that often happens during returns, understanding store rules and conditions.
Scenario Module 2, Store Policies and Conditions.
Common learner mistake. Learners often say, why not? I want refund now. Sounds aggressive.
Polite policy-related English.
Use these instead. 1. Is this eligible for a refund? 2. Is there a time limit for returns? 3. Can I exchange this without a receipt? 4. What are the conditions for a refund? 5. Is store credit an option?
Model explanations. Is this eligible for a refund? Is there a time limit for returns? Is store credit an option? Grammar insight, built in.
Notice how questions start with, is this? Can I? What are? Questions reduce conflict and sound professional.
Micro practice, policies. Repeat. Is this eligible for a refund? Is there a time limit for returns? Penultimate segment, summary and review.
Let's review the key phrases from today. 1. I'd like to exchange this item. 2. Could I get a refund, please? 3. What is your return policy? 4. Is this eligible for a refund? 5. Is store credit an option? Say any 3 aloud now.
Dedicated speaking practice, interactive. Answer out loud using polite store English. 1. You want a refund, but the cashier asks about the policy. What do you say? 2. You don't have the receipt. How do you ask politely? Pause. Speak clearly. No long sentences needed.
Excellent work. You can now handle store problems confidently in English.
Like this video, share it with someone learning English. Subscribe to Miss Grammar.
Up next, English for online shopping and payments, EP-13.